in today's video, we are going to convert our AutoCAD drawing into ArchiCAD. Either way, if you haven't watched our last video, which we converted from ArchiCAD to AutoCAD, the video is linked above. So move to File and save your AutoCAD drawing. Once your drawing is saved, you are going to close the drawing and probably just close your AutoCAD. Then we are going to navigate into ArchiCAD. So you open up your ArchiCAD. You're just going to wait for a few seconds and it will be open. Click on New. For work environment, I like to use Architectural Profile 27. So you click on New and you're getting straight into ArchiCAD. Once the ArchiCAD interface appears, you are going to move to File, navigate down to Interoperability, click on Merge, then Merge from File. You are going to select the project you saved in AutoCAD. So mine is on my desktop and the name of the project is Mr. Wilson's project. So I'm just going to select Mr. Wilson's project and open up the project. The next thing you are going to see is what do you want to merge? I want to merge content of model space into current view. Yes. So I'm just going to click OK. And I don't really like to change anything here because it's all okay. We are going to click on Merge. And I want to position the drawing at the center of my drawing space in ArchiCAD. So I'll just position it here. Once all of this appear, you are going to click OK. And here is our drawing. So probably we'll just move the north elevation above. Just want to move it up. So here we now have our drawing in ArchiCAD, but there are a lot of issues. You can see our dimension is to 3 decimal places, which we did not want. So to correct that problem, we are going to move to Options, down to Project Preference, and we are going to click on Dimensions. On Dimensions, we are going to set our decimals to 2 decimal places, and we are going to click OK. And you see that our dimensions have been adjusted. Like you see here, 4 meters, 5.05 meters, 4 meters. And that is how we convert our drawings from AutoCAD to ArchiCAD. If you did enjoy this content, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check out our video.